Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to find the values of x and y, given that 3 divided by 4, all enclosed in a bracket, raised to the power of x, multiplied by 2 divided by 3, all raised to the power of y, equal to 32 divided by 27. Let's get started. So we have that 3 divided by 4, all raised to the power of x, times 2 divided by 3, all raised to the power of y, is equal to 32 divided by 27. Now, looking at the left-hand side, from the power of quotient rule, we have that this is 3 raised to the power of x divided by 4 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of y divided by 3 raised to the power of y equal to 32 divided by 27. Now, at this point, let us express 32 in the powers of base 2 and express 27 in the powers of base 3. So recall that 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32, and also 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. Now 4 also can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2. Thus, we have this to be 3 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of y divided by 3 to the power of y equal to 2 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 3. Now, the next step here is that we have to cross multiply. So this becomes 3 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of y times 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of y times 2 to the power of 5. So at this point, we can simplify. Since we have 3 as a base here and 3 as a base here, this becomes 3 to the power of x plus 3 times 2 to the power of y equal to, also here, we have a base here of 2. We have a base here of 2. So this becomes 2 to the power of 2x plus 5 times 3 to the power of y. So at this point, we can equate terms with the same base. So this is 3 to the power of x plus 3 equal to 3 to the power of y. And also this is 2 to the power of 2x plus 5 equal to 2 to the power of y. So what we did was that we equated terms with the same base. At this point, since their bases are the same, we have that x plus 3 is equal to y, and also at this point 2x plus 5 is equal to y. So let's call here equation 3 and let's call here equation 4. Now equating equation 3 and 4, this becomes x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 5. At this point, we can move x to the right hand side and then move 5 to the left hand side. This becomes 3 minus 5 equal to 2x minus x. So 2x minus x is x, and 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So therefore, x is equal to negative 2. Now, we can substitute the value of x into equation 3 or equation 4 to obtain the value of y. So from equation 3, we have that x plus 3 is equal to y. And the value of x is negative 2. So we have negative 2 plus 3 is equal to y. So therefore, y is equal to negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So y is equal to 1. So we obtained that x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to 1. At this point, we have been able to obtain the solution. for the exponential equation given to us. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you found the video helpful, encourage us by liking this video, and for us to reach more audience, please encourage us by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much, and for more videos on exponential equation that leads to simultaneous and exponential equation that leads to quadratic, please check out our playlist, and I wish you a happy learning journey. Bye.